The price of Solana is $88.28 today, with a 24-hour trading volume of $2.5 billion. Our SOL to USD conversion rate is updated in real time. In the previous 24 hours, Solana has lost 18% of its value. The current ranking of CoinMarketCap is 9, with a live market capitalization of $28 billion. Currently, there are 322 million SOL coins available for circulation. The maximum supply is 400 million SOL coins. According to our current Solana price forecast, the value of Solana will climb by 22.28% by March 14, 2022, and will reach $107.92 by March 14, 2023. Technical indications indicate that current mood is bearish, while the fear and greed index indicates that extreme fear prevails. Over the previous 30 days, Solana has had a 40% increase in green days and a 9.12% increase in price volatility. According to our Solana prediction, it is now a terrible time to invest in Solana. Solana's support levels are $80.85, $79.55, and the strongest is at $77.58, all based on today's traditional pivot point P1 with a value of $82.82. Solana's resistance levels are $80.85, $79.55, and the strongest is at $77.58. Similarly, the resistance levels for Solana are at $84.12, $86.08, and $87.39, respectively. It is beneficial to look at the price history of Solana in order to have a better understanding of what might happen to the price of Solana in the future. The SOL-USD pair has lost -22.58% of its value in the last month. The performance of SOL-USD during the past year has been 541.06%. The descending triangle, one of the most powerful bearish formations in technical analysis, is on the verge of breaking down below the current price of Solana. The possibility of a 40% wipeout exists if sellers are able to get control and drive Solana below the formation's lower boundary. A little percentage decline in the price of Solana is all that separates it from being one of the greatest percentage drops in the market since its all-time high was created in November 2021. If it fails to hold its last support level at $80, it might see a rapid decline to the upper region of the extended 2021 volume point of control and the 100% Fibonacci extension in the $50 value area. The Solana currency is still working its way out of the trough that the collapsing stock market plunged it into earlier this year. Although the market may be slightly positive at the moment, it may be some time before Solana is able to rebound from its recent decline. As of this writing, Solana had gained ground over the previous 24 hours, but was still in the negative, having suffered a 15% decline over the previous 7 days. That demonstrates how negatively the bear market affected the price of SOL. However, there is one more obstacle that Solana will have to overcome in order to increase its performance. The Bitgert chain rivalry is currently a major source of concern. The Bitgert BRC20 blockchain, which is outpacing Solana in terms of speed, is working against SOL. The fact that the Breeze chain gas cost is less expensive is also a significant concern for the Solana project. It is necessary for purchasers to close the Solana price at or above $102 in order to invalidate any short-term negative view. Solana's closing price of $102 would bring it over the single greatest group of resistance levels that exist around its current value. These are the levels of resistance. The Kijinsen is trading at $91 per day. The price of the 50% Fibonacci retracement is $2. The daily Tenkan-sen is now trading at $93. With the price of $98, the top trend line of the falling triangle is reached. The recent swing high was $100, which was a new record. Bulls will make a huge stride forward on the route to a fresh bull run if they can close Solana at or above $102 at the end of trading. But around $111, the bottom of the Ichimoku Cloud Senka Span A and the 38.2% Fibonacci retracement, the market may be unable to continue its upward trend much further. In the short term, however, the break of such a massive collection of resistance levels below $102 would almost certainly result in the creation of a significant future support zone for bulls in the near future. From the standpoint of the time cycle, the date of the GAN season, which is March 21st, is rapidly approaching. The date of March 21st has traditionally served as a launching point for big bullish and negative rallies in the cryptocurrency market, respectively. If a market has been trending lower in the weeks leading up to March 21st, the ensuing price action is likely to be positive. Solana was yet another cryptocurrency whose bearish trend from earlier in March was broken in the last few hours of the week. A long-term support level for SOL has been at 81 cent, and the stock has just rebounded from this level once more. To the north, the $93.4 is expected to provide significant resistance. In recent days, the awesome oscillator has been lingering near zero, indicating that it is about to peak. It has only lately risen above the zero line, indicating that it is gaining upward velocity. In addition, the OBV has increased in recent hours. Nonetheless, as of the time of publication, it had not yet risen above its prior local high. Currently, the price of Solana is extremely near to falling down below one of the most powerful bearish patterns known to technical analysts, the descending triangle. The possibility of a 40% wipeout exists if sellers are successful in taking control and pushing Solana below the formation.